Hey, guys, it looks like we got ourselves a new order. Okay, it is a rusted scooter. Oh, that thing keeps stopping. No wonder they sent it to us, the scooter and bike fixers / washers. So what should we do with this one? Why am I talking to myself? Yeah, just spray some WD-40. La la la. If I want to wash too, I'll do that later after testing. Seems fine. Now let's give it a good wash. Well, we'll do that after. This was a message from the scooter and bike washers / fixers. If there's a rusted tire, we'll fix it. If there's a chain off, we'll fix it. To fix a bike, if the problem's not that big, $1. Really big, $2 or $3, depends on how big. Wash is just $1. And it is Texas, obviously. Fort Worth, Yale Trail. Wait. The address is 13521. So come on down if you need some help. If you live too far away, it's okay. Just load up your bike. And you, don't forget, and your wallet. We go year-round, but during school years, it is from, well, on the weekends, it is at 11 to, whenever, 11, it's at 11 to, I made this. Oh yeah, it's 11 to 10 o'clock. 11 in the morning to 10 o'clock at night. And summer is the same. And school year is around, like 4. It opens around like 5. Yeah, it opens around 5. During school year, it ends at 10. And yeah, that's it. And we can polish it. I know it's car polish. Still, polish. So yeah, that's it. Hope to see you down at the scooter and bike repair / wash. See you there.